Alright, this is going to be probably my second video using the Equinox 600. I tried to do one last week, but it fucked up. As you can see, I've already been in this area. This is probably the furthest I came back. I hope you can see that. In this part that I've been checking out. I found a couple of 30 calibers over there and a 22 long rifle shell in there and over there somewhere. Anyway, I'm just going to try and set this up quickly. So yeah, as I said, Equinox 600. Hope you can hear me. I'm not talking too loud because there is a residence probably like 20 meters behind me. Yeah, I'm surprised there's bullets here too, honestly. But they are pretty old, which is kind of cool. I saw a lot of people commenting on someone else's video where this kid is at the beach finding lots of old World War II 303 shells, and they were saying they could just go look for them in their backyard and nothing special, which, like, I'm sure someone will say it in comments on this video. These bullet shells are nothing special, I know, but I enjoy them and I think they look cool on my shelf. So yeah, shut up. Anyway, this is a pretty simple build, honestly, which I'm glad for that. The first problem I found with the detector is, as you can see right now, this screw for the coil is plastic and the thread is really shit after you put it on the first couple times. As you can see, it's getting quite stiff there, so you might need, I'd say, at least like a 3mm plastic washer for that, which I might buy today if I can find enough money, maybe. I don't know how much money's on my bank, because this thing is fucking expensive for me and I worked like 3 weeks to afford it. So yeah, it's still pretty loose. I don't like that. That's the only major problem. If Equinox could fix that, I would be like so happy. Like, I don't know, for people buying future versions of this. I don't know if maybe it came with a plastic washer, and I just didn't see it in the box. I should probably look when I'm home. But yeah, that's good enough for now. I'm a little bit loose, that's fine. For the coil, if you're new to detecting like me, yeah, just wrap it around like this. Try not to get sand or water into this port. But I bought this one because it's fully submersible for 3 meters, which, I don't know, they didn't really say much about it. Kind of sucks because I'd like to, I don't know, feel more assured about bringing it in the water, but I've got warranty, so it's alright. That's why I paid $1,000 for it instead of getting it on eBay for like $800, just because I want the warranty with it, because it's hard for me to get work, and this was a kind of investment for a bit of fun and a tiny bit of money. Obviously it's not going to pay itself off up here, but like I said, I like finding bullets. It's fun for me. So yeah, this is pretty simple to set up, as you just saw. It's already done. Probably could have coiled that around one more time. That screw there, do not lose that because that'll be a pain in the ass. I've almost lost it already. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get my watch off because it's gonna pick up. I had to, well, the reason I'm not going on the beach today is because, one, for me it's awkward, and two, because I've got my school bag here, and I'm not saying I'm meant to be at school, but my campus has the day off, whereas the campus here does not, so it looks a little bit sketchy. Yeah, so I'd rather not go down to the public beach, and plus the tide's in quite high, so anyway, what you have to do is make sure this is screwed in properly, especially if you're going in the water, and make sure the headphone jack is screwed in as well, because that's like the only problem I think about ringing it in the water is the headphone jack. That's kind of the what's the word? I don't know, that's the weak point, I guess. Anyway, I hope I can find something here. Otherwise, I'm just going to cut to the spot where I was down there and I finished up last time, because I just got so sick of digging up the bullets. You get sick of it after a while, but when you come back, it's fun. It's something to do. It is like, I don't know, I just took my watch off, but it's like maybe 8:30 right now. Where's my phone? 9 o'clock. So yeah, I'll try not to be too loud. I haven't got my microphone with me because I forgot it, which sucks. But oh well. I'm gonna leave my headphones out for now so you guys can hear it as well. And I will have to cut this video quite a bit because I don't have a PinPointer. I've got to order it because I get paid today. I've got to order it on eBay. So that is pretty good. That's over a foot. That's got to be at least 2 foot. That's at least 2 foot because that is a really good signal. I'm happy with that. It's given off. Hang on, I still got on that. Alright, so that gives off like a high 20s. Usually aluminium's at 21. I just really hope no one comes around here because I don't like talking to people. Like I said, I've already scanned this whole area, so I doubt there'll be much. Yeah, I might just skip ahead. I'll shut these off for a minute. Alright, so I think I'm getting 2 signals here. I don't know. Oh, I skipped this part last time because there's a heap of rubbish in that big ass hole there. That very, very random hole. That still confuses me. But anyway, I think I'm getting 2 signals here. Where is it? Just faint signal here, 10, so that'll be lead, that'll be a bullet. I'll be counting on a bullet there, and then over here there's a better signal. Oh, there's a few signals here. Yeah, I don't like that because there's a can right there. I do not like that. Anyway, alright, another signal here. I've just found part of a can over there, so I'm not liking this one too much. So I'm getting a 6 over here somewhere, so it could be lead. It almost sounds like there's 2 signals. Alright, I'm just gonna go for the. I hope the ground's not too wet. Yo, it is. Alright, don't judge how I dig this because I'm new to it and this is the middle of nowhere, so it doesn't matter how I dig my holes. It's a really weak signal. Probably nothing amazing. Oh, that's my phone. That's my camera picking up, sorry. What the fuck? Alright, so it's still in here. I might take this off and come back to you when I found it. Alright, last hole is just rubbish because I've found bits of charcoal and broken glass in it, and this is just next to it, so it's given a higher signal, like 20s, so I don't think it'll be a bullet. I think it might be just a bit of aluminium. It's a lot harder. What is that? Is that a shit? Oh, it's a bullet. Well, that was our signal. Yeah, so this is the kind of stuff we'll be finding here. A lot of these. And it looks like I haven't checked this area yet. I don't know how I missed it. But looks like a good spot to look. Might be a path down that way, which is good. Anyway, that's what we'll be finding today. Lots of these. I haven't looked in this spot yet, which is interesting. Fuck off. It's not a leaf. $16. Dug it. I reckon maybe a bottle cap since it's on the surface. Yeah, see? Another fucking wrinkle. So that was giving off a different signal to lead. This one looks more like lead. Good 13. What? Can't see it anywhere. Oh, there we go. See? Fucking hate when that happens. Well, it's still nice, I guess. I think the metal jacket will be down that hole because I was getting a different signal as well. But that's alright, we can still melt that down. Does it have a signal there? I did. Is that a surface find? Or is that a leaf? It's a leaf. Oh, well. Ow, fuck. Jesus, mate. Anything yet? No? I'm still going to delete that footage because I cannot get down to it, whatever it is. Show up multiple signals, probably aluminium, because there's a bag right here. Yeah, that's a pain in the ass, but whatever. Is that a sock? That's fucking weird. I don't know if I can get through there or not. This is a very interesting part. Scan up on the sides. Ooh, 15. Fuck yeah, sounds like something I'm digging. Oops. I find that interesting how there's aluminium foil all through here as well. So I wanted to be an archaeologist when I was younger. This is my training. But yeah, unearthing some World War II rations. Dun dun dun. What actually is that? I don't have a brush with me. I should bring a toothbrush. Just an old can of I doubt it'll say anything on it, but it's a can of drink. There's sort of a bit of a label on it, but I doubt I'll be able to see that. It's got like some rust tumors on it. Wait, where's my school bag? Shit. Alright, first battery just went flat. And I just had some smoker, so I think we're all good. On again. I don't know if that last bit recorded or not, but I left my bag way down there. So I had to go back and find it. I don't know how I just forgot my bag, but whatever. As I was sitting down, I noticed there is a plastic bag in there, which I don't know if that's a good sign or not, whatever. And I'm really paranoid. That looks like a tent through there. It's kind of blue. I don't like that at all. Whatever. So as you can see, we've been going for probably like an hour now. I don't know what the time is, but the battery is still full. Yeah. Ooh. Got a lot of solid 13. I would say maybe just a 22. Ooh. Oh, I thought that was a penny. Just a shitty old 10-cent coin. 1977. That sounds about right. For the cans I just found. Those are, wow. Oh shit. For one that could have been up here for 30 years, that is really, really nicely preserved. I actually thought that was a penny for a second. Little sticks and shit. Oh, I love digging in this moss stuff because it just comes up so easy. So satisfying. I feel like I just dug it up then. I saw something weird. Looked like lead. Yeah. There's a very, very faint signal. I think it's just all this moss that's come up over the time. That's like a solid 2 inches of moss. I like hearing people. Alright, I'm getting there. Oh, that's a good sign. Cool. I thought that was a 22 there. Just gonna spread it out like that. Yeah. Alright, we've got it out, which is good. Is that it? That's a really demented. I don't know what that was. 22 or that'll be the lead out of the 30 caliber, whatever. That's why it was so faint. I do get sick of digging up lead, but it's okay sometimes because it looks cool for a display. Alright, this time I'll try a different strategy. Sounds like something really small there. Fuck off, LSV. Oh, it's not even LSV, that's someone else. I actually don't think we're doing patrols in the winter anyway. What is that? What the fuck? Holy shit, that branch looks like someone's arm. Oh my god, that scared me for a second there. Jesus Christ, I don't know if you see that. That's messed up. Alright, I'm calling. Maybe the jacket from that one, actually. It's pretty small. Yeah. What is it? Oh, cool. Little 22. Nice, that's a good looking one. Yeah, that's fast. I hope it's not picking up my camera again. Spread it out a little. Yep. Cool. I'm calling another 22. Oh, that's also dropped through. There it is. Oh, it's a nice one. Tiny little plinker or something. I don't actually know what that's from. I know the other one's from a 22 long rifle. This might just be from a 22. I don't really know my calibers very well. It's cool. That's the first one of that. Yeah, it's a bit inaccurate sometimes, but it's alright. This will be just another small one, probably the same as what we just found, because it is really weak signal. Fuck, that hurt, whatever that was. It wasn't glass. Alright, just found it. My camera just went flat, like, less than a minute ago. You can see it just there, just coming out of the dirt. Got the camera on a good angle. Alright, that's what we've been digging. And it is, I don't know if it's just the jacket, because it doesn't feel very heavy. A little bit of lead in there. It's giving off a 15. Cool. These usually give closer to a 17, but that's alright. Kind of knew that would happen, but whatever. Guess it's a bit more across. I'm gonna turn these off until I find them. Alright, just dug up right then, as it's in the camera off pretty much. Okay. I'm gonna have to cut out my phone screen because I've got some notifications I don't want you to see. Anyway, there we go. Look at that one. Oh, that'll be good for the display. I don't like getting the ones that are all bent up. The ones that stand, pretty good. That one's nice. Alright, got another faint signal here. This one's really deep, or there's just lots of shit on top. Is that a leaf? Is that leather? What's that? That's weird. I don't know what that is. Looks like skin. That's fucked. Just found that one as I was digging. Just a bit of lead out of a jacket. Surely, mate. What the fuck? Is that it? No, good. A pissy bit of scrap. There it is. That was a big dig, but it's 30 caliber. Jacket looks nice how it's kind of broken like that. Not really something I want a lot. Oh well. Alright, just hit another signal and it's just come out of the hole, I think. Here it is. Another bit of fucking lead. Not finding much good today. That's interesting. I'm always so pissed off when it's a bit of a can. What? Alright, we got that. Oh, is that it? Hey, that's a good one. Weird signal. Showing as an 18. I think I was showing in the 20s before. That's a really nice one. It almost looks different caliber to the other ones we found. It feels a bit smaller. I don't know why. Could be like a 228 or something. Alright, just hit another signal. Yeah, so I've already gone through this place, but I was rushing last time because it was raining. Alright. Cool. Can't see it yet. Ooh, it's pretty small then. Is that it? Nope. What? Is that it? Yep, 22. It's been squashed against... don't know. Hope you can see that alright. I don't know how to focus GoPro. Yeah, I just realised. I hope the GoPro's been focusing on all the stuff I found. I'm going to delete like 2 hours of footage. Yeah, it's a nice one. So the weak signals are the 22s, and I missed them because I was rushing. Well, this is an interesting one. This jacket was just sitting on top of this hole, so I must have dug this and pulled out the lead and not seen the jacket part. That's pretty interesting. I think I showed up like a 5.3. Well, that's nice. It looks alright. Can't really do much with it. Can't even melt it down. There's no lead in it. Just a bit of wadding or something. Dirt. I don't know. That's cool. Anyway, this battery's almost about to die, so might have to swap it soon. Probably got like, I don't know, maybe 300 or so grams worth of stuff already. Yeah. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, this battery's almost flat and I'm in a bit of an awkward spot, so this will be a quick one. Haven't been able to do any video for the last maybe hour because this is more of a residential spot. I'm not sure if this is private property. But anyway, there's the beach just over there. I found 2 or 3 bullets up there, 30 calibers, I'll show you soon. Maybe like 4 shotgun shells more over that side, which is where I came. And just got another signal here. This one's showing as a 13, so I'd say it's another rifle shot. And no, it's just a bit of lead. Cool. Anyway, I'll show you all the stuff I found shortly. I've got to take off my jacket so I'll empty out my pockets. Alright, it's going to be a bit weird to film. Let me try and... I just don't want to drop it everywhere. Should be fine. With my knife. I never really come out without it. Doesn't feel like I've found that much, but I've dug quite a lot. I think that's all of it. Felt like I found a lot more, but some aluminium, another fucking ring pull. Yeah, I found a couple. These ones I wanted to show. I'm not sure if these are broken 22 long rifles or if they're a different kind altogether, because it's a bit shorter. They could just be like quarter loads or something. And it's really small. Found 2 of these. There's the other one. I thought they were just broken ones, but no, they must be smaller rounds. I haven't found any of these ones before, so they'll be new. I thought I had more of these shotgun shells, but no. Not sure how old they are. They say Equinox, Equinox, ICI logo on it. I think they're all the same. Yeah, so I found it really cool. This one's really bent. That's kind of cool. I like that. That one was just up there, but yeah, that's what I've got so far. I might leave these out of my pocket and put them in something else for now. Cool. I'm gonna take this jacket off because it's getting really warm. Anyway, see you in the next find. Alright, I'm on my last battery. It's been like an hour since I filmed. I'm in a newish spot a bit further across, and I found a bit of an old bullet shell. There's no dates or anything on it. It's just over there, and a 22 here, and I'm getting a good signal here, like a high 20s, or kind of medium 20s, but just kind of curious what it might be. I'm thinking possibly another shotgun shell bit, but I don't know. Let's find out. Ooh. Nope, thought I had it then. Oh, now it's gone down to a 10, 19. So possibly, 2. I reckon this might be a jacketed 30 caliber. It's just a bit difficult to find because I don't have a fucking PinPointer. Surely. What's that? The fuck is that? That's it. It almost looks like an old key. What could that be? I reckon that's an old key. That's cool. Maybe an old clock key. Very interesting. Clean that up a bit later. Oof, put the discriminator off. So -7, geez. Wonder how much of this we've missed. Might actually leave that off. That's very interesting. I don't know what that could be. Like, it looks to me like a key, but it's a bit too big. Unless it's a bottle opener, maybe. Yeah, that might look about right, but it's very rusty. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe a bottle opener. I got bitten by something before. Cool. Well, we'll keep going. Hopefully find more of this. Alright, well that one's just next to where I dug that thing. Same signal, pretty much the exact same. But it was a back of a shotgun shell. So I kind of guessed that. Yeah, anyway. I'm not sure what happened there. When I turned my GoPro on, it gave a different picture. Instead of the Hero 3 logo, it came up with some sort of motorbike. I'm not sure what that means, but I just pressed OK. So, anyway, we've got our next signal here somewhere. It's showing as 15, so honestly I'm not sure what this could be, because 15, maybe a jacketed round, or maybe just a bit of a slug, I don't know. Anyways, let's try and find it, and we'll see. Because I haven't found many of the jacketed rounds here, 30 calibers. Actually I reckon this will be a 22. Oh, nope. It is a jacket round. 15. Usually these come up as a 16 or 17. Even 21 sometimes. It's a bit weird. Anyway, to the next one. Alright, we're at our next signal. Still got about 7 minutes on this SD card, but I don't know how the battery's going, so I might switch to my phone if I have to. But anyway, this one's showing a 10, so just be a bit of lead, maybe a 22. I actually more or less guessed this spot. this time, because it was showing up around here, the signal, but it was way up there. And yeah, this is it. It's very weak, so I reckon it'll be a 22. Oh, there it is. Knew it. It's a pretty clean one. I don't know how you'd be able to date these. I could probably check when I'm home the different primers. Obviously they'd be different from different occasions. Well, I assume so anyway. Let's keep going. That looks like a mug or something over there, half buried. Yeah, see the next signal. Alright, this one's giving a bit of a high 20s signal. Not far from where I last filmed. And it's up here. What's it showing now? Yeah, 20. 19 to 20. It's weird, I think I just dropped it. I reckon it might be a jacketed round again. Maybe even a bullet shell. Casing. I don't know, someone tell me, is there a difference between shell and casing? It's like when you say clip instead of magazine, it triggers some people. I don't want to be making anyone mad with these videos. Here it is. And also tell me if I'm wrong if this is not a 30 caliber, because I've been saying it the whole time and I could be wrong. But yeah, this one's a nice one as well. That'll be good on the display. Anyway, these are the finds so far. I've filled this entire thing, so I might have to start putting them back in my pocket soon. Jesus. Yeah, that's a lot. Cool. Alright, this one's giving a really mixed high 20 kind of in 2s, so not sure what this could be. Bit of an interesting one. These plants really creep me out. I don't know why. No, not really. I'm all for plant equality. It's beautiful as a gum tree, mate. Anyway, what the fuck could this be? This is nice and soft here. The fuck? What's it going? 25. I don't know. I'll probably be really mad when I find it. I'll be like, you fucking kidding me? Alright, got it. Ooh. Ooh, 2 cent. Nice. 67. Very nice. Wow. Gotta dug that one, because I was just gonna skip it. Cool. So we found 12 cents today. If you're not Australian, these were discontinued, I think late 90s? I don't know, over 20 years ago. So yeah, that was pretty cool. The other 10-cent coins in there somewhere. Yeah, I need another Altoids tin, but they don't sell them in Australia, which sucks. And I should have bought more of it with me. But yeah, let's try and find more of those. Had a close one there. Signal picked up right on this bit of root from this tree. But it turns out it was just under here. Another one of these. It's a shame it's a bit broken, but oh well. I don't usually dig such low signals, but right in here I just found part of a bullet shell, and then I just found part of a watch. That's pretty cool. This watch is sponsored by Emperor Group. What's this? Children. The 11th World Conference on Gifted and Talented Children. That's cool. I kind of knew exactly when I saw that because I did a bit of watch repair at home. But if I find more of the watch, that'd be awesome. It's pretty random though. Find the back of the watch. Is there more? Not even a watch movement? It's really, really random.